Alright, so I want to take you guys outside today for your art lesson, and the first thing that you should do is over the next couple of days try and collect as many objects as you can, whether you're out for a bike ride or taking your dog for a walk or just in your yard. Try and collect a bunch of objects. And then mandala just basically is a circular design. So choose one thing that you want for your focal point, and then I'm gonna show you how you can build out from there. Okay, so I found one big pine cone. I only found one, so this is gonna be my middle object. And I think that I want it to stand up, so I'm probably gonna use some of these shiny rocks, and I'm gonna try and build maybe like a circular structure to go around and maybe hold up my pine cone in the middle. Like this. So the middle thing definitely needs to be a strong circle because that's going to help you build out all of your rings and layers out from there. And we're going to do one more like definite circle before we add any other possibilities. So I might choose some leaves to help with that. So I found these red-green leaves, and I'm gonna put them, maybe I'll do red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. I'll also use one more green leaf in here. Alright, okay, so I'm going to put this here. Alright, so if you want to add in something that's like a straighter object and you don't want it to curve all the way around, you would have to do it symmetrically. So whatever you do to the top, you would do to the bottom. Whatever you do to the left, you would do to the right. So you can have things that are straight in the composition as long as it's symmetrical, but the goal is to keep building out into the rings around it. So I might have, let's do some flowers. So maybe I'll have some flowers going this way. Those are all the same. These are the same. So we'll add some more yellow flowers in. That way to keep the same colors repeating. And it's good to do this on a day that isn't windy, just so that nothing blows away while you're making it, because at the end you're going to need to take a picture as your art project. Alright, so I might actually just do all the flowers and add in just a whole ring of flowers. I'm trying to spread out the colors and not have it get into my leaf ring. This. Alright, perfect. Alright, so now let's do, maybe I'll do a pattern with the pine cones and some of these gray rocks. We'll do, this is like the hat to the acorn actually. So acorn, rock, acorn, rock, acorn, rock, and I'm still building a circle. acorn hat, rock, acorn hat, rock, acorn hat, rock, acorn hat. Some more of these. Rock. Okay. Alright, so now I have my ring of my circular shiny rocks, my ring of leaves, then I have a ring of flowers, and then I have a circular pattern of the acorn hats and the rocks. And let's do one bigger one. We can go around in a circle with these. Make one big circle that kind of encompasses the branches. And I can fill this in the middle. Okay, that looks good. Alright, and then maybe I can just try and add these ferns in. Hopefully this doesn't blow away. Alright. This will be my last ring for my event. There we go. Beautiful. So that's my nature mandala, and I'll make sure to have all the steps listed again. But have fun and try and get some fresh air, get away from your laptop, get some vitamin D,